Hi, my name is Ben Marrable and I'm a Splunk Security Strategist at Somerford Associates. In this series of short videos, we're going to demonstrate Splunk Security Essentials as the ideal starting point for security with Splunk. Firstly, we'll look at the security data journey and how using this helps organizations focus their security program. Then we'll go into the primary use of Security Essentials, that is to find content to drive your security operations. Then we'll look at how Security Essentials provides helpful guidance in the deployment of Splunk, providing another view to the data onboarding process. Next, we will demonstrate how to use basic security dashboarding and reporting embedded into the Security Essentials product. We will then move on to the section of data inventory and SIEM compliance. Here we will see how to inform Splunk Security Essentials of the data that you have in Splunk, categorize it, and use this knowledge to see the level of Common Information Model compliance of these data sources. Using the data availability features in Splunk Security Essentials, we can see how we can use built-in machine learning to alert on any loss of data entering Splunk. Next, we move on to content mapping and bookmarking capabilities, demonstrating how Splunk Security Essentials can be embedded into a security engineering program to capture, track, use case delivery, both within the Splunk tooling and external security tools. Following this, we can demonstrate how to report on the use case detections, progress, and provide recommendations to expand our capabilities and security controls. Finally, we will look at searching for security using the security wizards built into the product to guide you to build complex logical searches and reduce your false positive rates. Thanks for listening. If you'd like to know more about Splunk for security, contact us at info@somerfordassociates.com.